How to view and edit your Wendy's cart before checkout. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the pickup order, find a location page. Here, add your location. After you've added your location, city, state, or zip code, press on search. After you've searched, you will find your location. You'll find all these options pop up. From here, select the one you prefer. After you've selected the one you prefer, it will lead you to menu. Select the products you want to order. After you've done that, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Add to Bag. After you have added everything to the bag, what you need to do is click on the bag icon at the top right corner of your screen, which is Pricing in Bag. After you click on Pricing in Bag, it will lead you to this page, and from here you can view and edit your Wendy's cart before checkout. This is how to view and edit your Wendy's cart before checkout. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.